Hi, I'm Janvijay, and I will walk you through our work with Vilém on automatically assigning images to textbooks. Imagine you are a teacher. To help your students learn, you want to provide them with textbooks, and for your class, you can choose between two. All other things being equal, would you choose the one on the left or the one on the right? Hopefully, you will choose the one on the right. It contains illustrations which help the students better understand the concept and also makes the material more engaging, which is a positive learning factor. But how are these images added to the textbooks? Usually, an editor with good knowledge of the subject would do this task manual. This is expensive and also privileges books with more economic potential, typically English centric ones. In our work, we want to replace this manual labor with an automatic assignment. First, let's look into what good image assignment is. Our first guess might be that a good image covers all the terminology that appears in the text. However, in scientific texts, there are a lot of terms, and if an image would cover all of them, it would be a mess. Instead, textbook images usually cover new concepts. In this paragraph, those are syngamy and sporangia, which this image covers well. Now let's say you have identified 4 new concepts in the text and you have 5 images to choose from, and you have place for 2 of them. Also assume that you have a function that tells you the affinity between a concept and an image. The simplest solution is to take the top 2 images that have the largest affinity scores. This can be improved by treating it as an optimization problem, which we formalize and prove in our work. We have 3 different approaches to textbook image assignment, and we ask teachers to rate the quality of them. First, we start with the professional human assignment and compare it to the simplest method of image selection. The automatic method yields images which are more relevant, but they tend to have high overlap between each other, something we call redundancy. If we try to take the joint account, we get a different trade-off between redundancy and relevancy. Our work shows that the automatic assignment of images is possible, but the specific choice of optimization algorithm has a large impact on the types of images assigned. We further provide formulations and more experiments related to textbook enrichment. Most importantly, we release a data set of textbooks and images with the hope that it spurs more research into AI enhanced textbooks. We welcome you to read full paper, and we are happy to answer any questions related to textbook enrichment.